Hello guys, welcome to my channel Programmer King. How are you? I hope that you are healthy and fine. Now, in the previous video, we were using C++ IDE. In this video, I will use Java IDE to teach you about comparison operators. Let me write here first comparison operators. I have posted link of my Discord server. You can join it from there. Comparison operators. There are 5 comparison operators available mainly. I don't know others. Now, first is greater than, second is less than, third is equal to, fourth is greater than, equal to, and fifth is less than, equal to. I think I'm right. Yes. Now these are 5 comparison operators that are used to compare two variables. Let's suppose here an integer data type and a variable has a value 8 and I can merge them, and b is equal to 9 and comma c is equal to 10, d is equal to 11. Why I am writing 11? 8. These are 4 variables I have created: a, b, c and d. Now let's use comparison operators one by one. I will write here if brackets a equals to d. If a equals to d, what should be done? Is to print system.out.println what it would print true. Now in the conditionals lecture, I have also discussed about if and else statement. See that if you are not unable to understand about what I am writing, let me copy it. I will not write it again and again. Copy, and here I will paste it and write false instead of true. Now true is printed. Now here a is equal to 8 and d is equal to 8. Both are same, so I can write here a is equals d. Same situation as created here. Now what I can do here, these 4 operators are also useful in loops. We will discuss about them later. I will remove equal to and write here greater than, equal to. True will be printed, but why? A is not greater than, but it is equal to. Now what is it indicating? It indicates that our sign greater than equal to is basically combination of 2 signs, greater than and equal to. Now if let me write operator how they work. They work in the way that OR operators works. Now here greater than equal to, if any of the condition is true, then the statement will be true. This was the working principle of logical OR operator. Similarly, less than equal to is also combination of less than notice that it is operator, not sign of and. Okay, don't be confused in it. And equal to, if any of the condition is true, then the statement will be true. If I write here less than equal to, true will be printed, because D is equal to A. I can say A is equal to D. Now suppose here is B. Now true will be printed, but why? Because paint here A is equal to 8 and B is equal to 9. Sorry, 8 is greater than 9. Okay, 8 is greater than 9, so I can say that B sorry, I have told you wrong. A is equal to 8, B is equal to 9. Now 9 is greater than 8. 8 is less than 9. Okay, here, so I can say that B is greater than A. Similarly, less than equal to is working. Now if you write here greater than and equal to, sorry, greater than and equal to, it will return false. But why? Because 8 is not greater than 9. Remember that. And similarly, without equal to they works in the similar way, but then it won't use any type of logical operator. Like here it will return any of the condition is true, then return true. But in case of these single operators, true want to be returned if both of the operators variables are same. If I erase it and again write D, then D is not equal to, D is not greater than A. It is equal to, it won't return true. I hope that you understood all the variables. Now let's try it all in the C++. I will copy all the things and open C++. I will delete it all and paste it. System.println is not printing statement of C++. Printing statement of C++ is count. I will write here count and remove these brackets. Done. these brackets, and I will write here count. Nothing will be changed, only printing statement is changed. Concept will work in the same way as in Java. You can see false will be written. 1 second. One extra close bracket, 1 second, wait, has been copied, sorry, pasted. Syntax in C++ are different. I think it is true. Sorry, false. It will run. Oh, no error now. Now problem is here that I have to create them separately. Why is not recognizing else as a statement? One second, wait. Where is the main function? I have deleted the main function fully, so my code is not running. Oh, mistake. Remember this mistake when you are coding. False will be written. Now we are successful in the C++ also. I hope that you understood the full lecture. Thank you.